Hi, welcome to the second part of the CGC unboxing of my mostly X-Men. Calm down a little bit. Stay tuned. Uh, all right. It's only been like 2 minutes. So I just thought of something else. So CGC Graders Notes. I don't think I finished this thread of thought. A, they only put them on like a third of the books. B, even giving them that, two of them just say Mark Jewelers. Thanks. Um, C, of the rest of them, they're almost identical. And it doesn't even affect the grade. It says like light spine ticks, maybe light waviness. I don't remember. I'll put it up on the screen here. I have room right here with no comics, but like 9 of them are about the exact same, and one of them, the X-Men 130, says moderate. So that X-Men 130, man, that crease. This isn't it, but that crease goes. It's not a crease; it's a bend. It goes like this. There's no way I got that pressing and not noticed it with the board. You know, the backing board would have been sitting like this. And there's no way that somebody had to have dropped a couple of books with the spine ticks and that crease. Anyways, this is supposed to be the good video. Yeah, I know there's a couple of winners in here, at least 3, so let's continue on. Man, I was just gonna crack that Dazzler. Now I'm gonna crack and resub because it pissed me off. X-Men 124 in a 9.0. I think that was the second book. Yeah, 123 in this guy. And I tell you, same spine tick, same spot. X-Men 125. All right, 9.4. That'll work. I can't see here. That looks pretty good. All right. Hey, look, Mom, no spine tick. I mean, don't get me wrong, there are spine ticks. There's staple stress. But don't want that pile to get too high. X-Men 126 in an 8.5. If I remember right, this one didn't look so hot. Got a little scuffing here on the slab. X-Men 111 in 9.0. I think that's an upgrade. I think my current one's an 8.5, so that's a win. X-Men 113 in a 9.4. Again, these are all UK price variants. That's a win. X-Men 116 in a 9.0. I don't know if that's an upgrade or not. I'll go through. I'll put like Price is Right winner or something over there. It'll be fun for you guys because I will have already done it by the time you get here. All right, X-Men 121 Mark Jewelers variant in an 8.0. Yeah, I did a lot of work on this thing to bring it up. I'm really surprised and happy with that. 8.0 white pages. But, like I said, I've got a 9.0 coming in, so stay tuned for that. I think probably Comic Link for the bigger ones, and then, I don't know. Tell me what you think. Where should I sell stuff that's not going to be an upgrade? You know, stuff like the 8.0. Should I just put it on eBay? I'm not going to Heritage. I've had a good experience with Comic Link before. So let me know in the comments. Tell me. Oh, that's a win. This one's been really hard for me. Marvel Team Up number 53, first John Byrne art on the X-Men 9.0. White page is finally done. I think I've had 6 copies of that had something wrong with it that kept it out. Oh, here's a win. X-Men 101 US edition 9.4. Again, put a lot of work into this thing. I bought it off in an auction. Pictures look pretty good. I got it in, and it had either taken a hit or maybe it was the bundle. You know, maybe they had some like bundling tape on it when they shipped it, but there was an indent here on the spine. And so I took it out, flattened it out in the press, worked on it with the ball, and 9.4. That's a win. Man. In my collection right now, I have 2 9.4s and a 9.6. So stay tuned for those too. Oh, I wish this was a UK version. Another win, X-Men 109. First appearance of Vindicator. Weapon Alpha. 9.4. Off-white to white. Man, if that was a UK variant, I would be so happy. X-Men 110. 8.5. This is the one the guys got for a 9.2 for $320. Not paying it, buddy. I will actually look at this and see if I can maybe do something about it. Man, this thing's not sitting in the well right. Oh, by the way, I don't have to, but I'm going to submit X-Men books to CGC because I want them all to be in the same case. Call me crazy, but I don't want 4 books hanging out in CBCS. But my Fantastic Four John Byrne collection, which I've started this year, all CBCS. A lot of them started, and it's just a matter of getting, what do they call it when you replace the case? Man, I can't think about it. I'll put it down here because I'm a dumbass right now. Reholder, that's the word. I got to get like 30 of them reholdered into the new cases because they span whatever. And I'm actually bidding on another 10, so like 35 reholder, and then you know the other ones I submit are going to CBCS. I'm tired of CGS. I'm tired of CGC's bullshit. There's no. Never mind. This is supposed to be a good video. $4 left. Let's go. Daredevil #1 from like 2 years ago. The San Diego Comic-Con Virgin Edition. 9.8. Also not sitting in the well. The well. I don't think I'm going to keep that. I'm trying to pare stuff down, so look for that one. Spectacular Spider-Man number 27. First Frank Miller art on Daredevil. 9.0 Mark Jewelers edition. Mark Jewelers insert. Man, that's a lot of slabs. 2 more. Daredevil number 158. First Frank Miller art on the title in the UK price variant. 9.2. And the last book fell over. Stand by. Man, see, that's got some rippling. That's on me. That's on me. Daredevil 131 in the UK price variant, 9.0. Gonna take the place of that 9.0. Because I like me some UK price variants because they're undervalued and you all need to catch up. Even, what is it, WeSellComics.com, I think, just put out of its top 100. It was 99, but it was like, you guys need to get on UK price variants because they are. And in probably, I don't know, I'll probably wait 3 weeks for more data, but they're catching up. I think the days of buying them for less than their US counterparts are by and large over for keys. There's an Amazing Fantasy 15 on Heritage this week for 6.5. Can't wait to see what that one goes for, so we can compare it, apples to oranges. But anyways, second video was definitely nicer than the first. I'm gonna go through my X-Men collection and switch out the ones that I'm gonna upgrade. And like I said, in the comments, tippy tight, where should I sell, like, stand by. Where should I sell this X-Men 110 and an 8.5 to maximize my profit? Or at least breaking even? Should I put a comment link? eBay? What do you think? Stuff like that. Anyways, I'll see you soon. Thanks for putting up with my baloney. Bye.